Hi guys, welcome to KW Kustoms YouTube channel. This is Ryan from Lomotive UK Media. I am an automotive photographer from the west coast of Scotland. You guys might be wondering why this video is in black and white. The reason for that is my Audi S3 is going to be getting dropped off at KW's to get wrapped for a full colour change. So this kind of builds up a suspense of the reveal at the end. That doesn't mean you can skip to the end though. Put the views in, and hopefully it's worth a watch. So yeah, I'll talk you through my car just now and show you how it's sitting and what modifications it's got, so you guys have an insight of what it's like and how it is. So as you can see in the back, the car is sitting there. I'll paint an image in your head for what colour it is. Right now it is red. It's quite a boring red, to be fair. It's one of the standard stock colours from Audi. I've always been a fan of red cars. Like all my previous cars have all been red, but I've always wrapped them a different colour. Green being one of them, but I'm going to give you a wee hint, it's not green, this one. So yeah, I'll talk you through the full setup. The car is currently on air ride, supplied and fitted by the guys at Offset. This is a cool wee feature that you get with the Bluetooth, and I'll show you. Hold and press that one down. The car should sit nicely. So yeah, that completely changes the look of the car. As I said, the guys over at Offset Auto House in Kilmarnock supplied and fitted this. I'll pop their wee tag in. Any air ride wheels, anything car related, car cleaning products, go and hit them up. Definitely worth your while. So right now I will stick a wee clip in which you'll see the full colour of the car as it sits in the red. A good pal of mine, Dylan from Hazy Visions, has created a wee clip for the Auto Perfect guys. They currently sponsor the car at the moment, so it's good having them guys on board to help with the cleaning products and stuff like that. I'll stick my wee discount code down and plug it in Kev's channel as you do. But yeah, let's go and check it out. So since you've watched that, we will start getting ready to head down to Kev's. Kev literally just lives, well, Kev's unit, KW Kustoms, is literally 10 minutes down the road, so let's go. Guys, that's us down at KW Kustoms now, ready to drop the car off. We'll go and try and see if we can get a wee quick introduction from Kev himself, and maybe he'll talk you through the process, or even, maybe not even talk you through the process. There's the man himself.
It's yourself.
Can you introduce yourself to your own page, please?
Welcome to KW Kustoms.
What's the plans for this week?
Today we're going to wrap US3.
Yes. Right, let's go. The car parked in the bay to get ready to get stripped. The boys, Kev, Sam, Max and Tom will all get tucked into it, strip it all, get it prepped up. The wheels will stay on just now because it will move into this bay here once this car's finished. So this is Kev. He's going to talk us through a wee bit of what he's going to be doing with the Audi S3. So let's hear it, Kev.
So we're going to be wrapping it. Are we telling the colour?
No, we're keeping it secret.
So full wrap. We're going to be sending these bits down south to be colour coded to the wrap. We are stripping wing mirrors, rewrapping, a bit of wear and tear on them, so we're going to replace them. Dechrome right around the car. We're going to refit all the marks and stuff once it's back off. Wheels will be sent away and redone by Mr. Sparkle's Wheels in Cumnock. And we're going to colour code the calipers to match the wrap. Very good, very nice!
Upstairs, that's my man cave up there. That's where I do all my custom skateboard decks. Lay them, box them and send them out. Maybe we'll keep that for another video. This is Kev's Nissan GTR. Also on air ride suspension. This is wrapped yellow, so it is. As I said, I'm still keeping it in black and white. Just it kind of saves any hiccups throughout the video. But this thing looks absolutely phenomenal. Sitting on Westford's wheels. Fully wrapped by himself, and the air ride supplied and fitted from the guys at Offset All House. So unfortunately I need to work this week. I said to Kev about leaving my camera, but I don't think he fully trusts himself to have my camera in his hands for that period of time. So Kev is going to get a few clips in that I'll throw in a couple of seconds time, and I'll be back down Thursday. I've told the boys that I'll treat them to Domino's as they're staying later on the Thursday night, so let's check out the clips that Kev's gathered together. So we're back down at KW Kustoms. It is Thursday night. He is pulling a wee late shift tonight just to get all the wee niggly bits and finish a few bits. And over the weekend he should be able to complete and finish the car. The wheels are off to get powder coated by Mr. Sparkles, and the calipers should be complete by tomorrow, Friday. And Kev's decided to invite more people, so looks like a whole load of pizzas are going to get delivered. So let's have a wee look at Domino's. So pepperoni passion is a must, and toppings definitely need to change the sauce to barbecue, obviously. Save, add to cart. So that is us. We have ordered a Meteor large, a pepperoni passion large, and an absolute banger, and a few extra garlic and herb dips, because I feel as if when you get a Domino's you cannot miss out on the garlic and herb dips. Well, look at that. Front bumper's secured back on, and it will be finished wrapped tomorrow, Friday. That'll be the last piece of the puzzle before everything else gets put back together. So these are the custom decks that are ready to go out at the moment. The R33, the AMG and the BMW, all looking good. Just got a few quick photos for the Instagram page. These canvases are also something we offer through the Instagram page. And the quality on these are absolutely unreal. Kev's GTR, Kev's old i8, Steve Fraser and Stuart's duo set up there, and then Grant Butler's duo, all looking good. So here we have a wee package from Magna Plates. Nice wee magnetic setup to apply the rear plate onto the boot. Just nice, simple 4 pads placed on the rear of this, 4 along the back there, and then it will stick. Means I can apply and remove any time. It'll be nice and clean for any images that I take of the car. So with these plates, all I'm going to do is apply to the rear of my number plate. 4 pads along the back. And normally what you would do is install these, but to the back of the Lmtve'S S3 you can't get access to right behind here, but on good news these magnets stick right to the car, and I'm kind of fingers crossed. The guy in Magna Plates did recommend not to just apply the plate by just the magnets alone, but he has heard that it does work okay, but he just doesn't recommend, because obviously it comes with a full kit, the magnets to be secure. So this option is, I'm just going to apply the magnet straight to the back of the boot. With the boot being metal, it should stick fairly decent, so let's go ahead and apply these. Plates attached to the back, nice and secure, just make sure they're proper secured there, and let's test it. There we go. On. Sorted. I could even put it up there if I wanted to, but that'd be a bit stupid. But there we go, sorted. Super happy with that. Nice easy install, and it just gives off a bit of finish when I'm out taking photographs of the S3, and just gives it a nice clean look when I take them back off and then back on. Sorted. We're just waiting for Domino's to deliver it, but in the meantime I'll show you a few close-ups of the S3. The front bumper has been attached back on just for easy applying of the vinyl wrap, so this should be getting complete by tomorrow. I'll walk you through the rest of the car. This will all be getting de-chromed as well. Magna plates installed. On, off, highly recommend. Hit up the guys over at Magna Plates. I'll stick their wee Instagram down here. Just send the guys a message and they'll hook you up, or even head onto the website. Nice wee addition. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on this, but we've got embossed Lomotive logo on the petrol cap. Nice wee finish touch there. Front calipers will also be matched. I'm very unsure on what sticker vinyl to put the S3 badge in. You
Very good, very nice.
I think it's going to be feeding time at the zoo. Give you 2 seconds and you'll witness it.
Social space. I'm talking about No. I'm saying about the maybe you ordered.
Yes. So it's collection day at KW with the Audi S3. It's fully complete now. Let's go have a look at it. Hi Sam.
Right.
So right now we're going to switch up a wee bit. I've got Dylan from Hazy Visions down. He's getting a few clips. He's renting out my lens at the moment, so he can't use it. So here we go. This is what he's got to say.
Just wait and see. Wait and see. Aye.
Boom.
My bitch got a body like Alba. What up, dog? I'm the alpha. So you better watch out, bruh.
And that goes for anyone around us. Planted the money tree with my only fucking seed, now it's sprouting. Never had a fuck to give, so I see.
So that's us back from Glencoe the following day. I'm just going to give the car a wee quick rinse down and get it back to its former glory. I'll probably put a wee time lapse of me cleaning it down, and if you know me, I don't really clean my car at all, and that's why Callum at Auto Perfect is maintaining it every month now, and these are some products I'm going to be using. The fallout remover, citrus pre-wash, snow foam, and this is a wee reminder to Callum, I don't have my wheel cleaner yet, so if you're watching this, hook me up. Thank you. This guy, he has absolutely smashed this. Well done, Kev. So that will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see maybe Kev introduce himself onto his own channel and maybe incorporate a wee bit more of what he does inside KW Kustoms. And even if you would like to see me even vlog any photo shoots, any of the custom decks I do, anything I do to my car over my personal page as well. This has been really fun to do, kind of outside my comfort zone a wee bit, but the process has been kind of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the wee video that Dylan done, and I can't thank everyone enough that was all involved. I look forward to seeing what happens in the future. Look how bright it is, even on this dull day. Yeah, so do what you need to do, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever, share it, every little helps, and thanks guys.